Hi everyone, for today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a Bog Witch look. Kind of inspired by lockdown and just using any makeup product you have around the house so you don't have to go out. Because if you're anything like me, you'll just have this random collection of weird coloured makeup products that you just got from freebies and they're just lying in a drawer collecting dust. So the first step to looking like a Bog Witch is to have a really pale foundation. Like if you can, possibly 5 shades lighter, like sickly pale. Unfortunately, they don't make any products that pale than my skin, but I just use the Rimmel in Ivory, so that's like the palest you can get. So just go ahead and like put on a really light foundation. And once you've done that, I'm just going to put some of the, again, Rimmel Instafix and Matte Translucent Powder over the top just to make it as pale as we can. Now we're going to get to contouring, and instead of just your usual like tan look, we're going to go a bit darker because our Bog Witch lives in a bog, obviously, which is very natural. So we want to use products that look like they're inspired by the earth around her. So I'm going to be using this Seduce palette, Colour by TBN, which I got as a freebie from a work function. And we're just going to go ahead and use this really dark brown, which kind of looks like dirt. Now for our blush, we're going to use something different to just the normal like pinky oranges that you would normally use. Go with something that's going to complement the brown, but still also look natural. So I'm going to be using this Sports Girl Beauty eyeshadow, which is Moondust. And using this really cool bronzy gold here. This bronzy color is really good because it's got like a bit of a brown base in it, so it still looks dirty but like pretty because it's sparkly. Now in this same palette again, I'm just going to be using this bit of a lighter brown to do some more contouring with an edged brush. And we're just going to give our Bog Witch a really cute nose. And if you don't like your jawline like me, I'm just going to put some shadow underneath my chin line and on the brow line as well, just to give her some definition. Now to highlight these sections, I'm going to go back to the TBN eye color palette and use this nice silver. Now we're going to do our eyes. And I'm going back to this palette and I'm just going to use that bronze shade there as a base. And then to add some colour, I'm going to use this Revlon palette, which is, I don't know what it's called, but it's purples and this green. And I'm going to use this green here for a pop of colour. Then I'm going to use this darker purple on the outside and this lighter purple on the inside. Then I've got this really nice white that will highlight under the eyebrow arch. And we're going to use a liquid eyeliner, also by Rimmel. You can make them as bold as you want, but I like to make them really thick so they stand out more. Now I'm going to use this green eyeliner pencil, and it's by Anika, which is certified organic. Then I'm also just going to use it on top to highlight the black eyeliner. Now we're just going to create some shadows under the eyes here with just a bit more brown. Your Bog Witch probably doesn't get a lot of sunlight. Now I'm going to use this darker brown for my eyebrows. Then I've got this Rimmel Scandalize mascara to finish off the eyes. So I'm just going to go back to this really dark brown, the one that looks like dirt that we did our contouring with, and just put that on top of a brush. And because it's so loose and grainy, I'm just going to like put it on my face, maybe like put bits on, and you want to make it look like maybe you've just like run through the forest. And then we can just sort of blend that in. Now for the final touch, the lips. This was another freebie, but it's NYX Lingerie in a very nice brown colour. And there we have it. Bog Witch makeup. I look glamorous and like I live in a swamp. Thanks for watching.